Welcome back. It's me. I am at work, and this weekend is the International Female Ride Day weekend, and I'm so excited about it. I have a bunch of ladies that are riding with me down to Roanoke, Virginia tomorrow, which is going to be Friday, and we have a impromptu bike night Friday night, and then an all-day event at Roanoke Valley Harley-Davidson, and it's just an opportunity to celebrate female riders and bring the community together. So I have one day of work separating me from a great weekend with my girls. There's going to be a lot of new women I haven't met yet. I'm so excited to network with new girls, and it is co-ed event, so I'm excited to see some of my guy friends as well. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Good morning, it's the day of the event. I'm loaded up, Ashley's getting loaded up. We're about to head over to the meetup spot where we're gonna meet up with the other girls that are riding down with us. And so we have a few new riders with us, and I'm so excited about that. I have my tour pack on with a bunch of extra stuff just in case. I know newer riders probably don't have as much gear as I do, so I have extra gear in case anybody needs anything. I'm just really excited about being a part of some of these girls' first journey on the road. So stay tuned, here we go. First gas stop, everything's going good. Gas station hangs. Gotta love it. It's a beautiful day. We're making good progress. Everybody's doing good. No issues. Having fun. We made it to Roanoke. Here's Alan. We're at Bubba's 33. We got a lot of bikes here already. We're early. So let's go inside and see all the friends and the homies. Hi, friends! Hi, friends! How do you say that?
Balayage.
Pretty good. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Check out Maine, Vermont, and then ride back
Yeah,
to
we.
your place at home. So that's maybe. I might go to Florida with my
Balayage.
Balayage. Late night rides down in Roanoke with the homies.
Mark can't find a hole in the dark.
I can't remember my code.
Good morning. Today is the day of the event. This is where we're staying. It's the Hilton Garden Inn. It's so beautiful. Look at this view. We had a really great day yesterday. We are about to load up the bikes and head over to the Harley-Davidson. The event is from 9 to 4. So we're gonna go to the event, and then 10:15 we're doing a safety briefing. 10:30 kickstands up. People can choose to go to on the ride, or they don't have to. They can stay back. We have tattoos, photography, all sorts of cool stuff. And then we've got free tacos when we get back from the ride, live music, so it's going to be a really fun time. I'm excited. So far, like, a really great turnout of people. I love this. Actually, Alan was talking about wanting to do this maybe yearly, so we'll see. Get ready, load up, heading over to Harley. We just arrived at the dealership. Bunch of bikes. Pre-registration for the ride is over there. Just got people hanging out outside.
Yeah, if you will herd all cats this way, please. All right, I wanted to say thank you for coming out. My name's Alan Ward. I'm the marketing manager here at Roanoke Valley Harley-Davidson. Thank you for riding out today. It's a little cool, but it's dry, and that's what we had really hoped for. I know some of you came a long way, and I appreciate you doing that. Yeah, raise your hand if you're coming from out of town. Yeah, not in the Roanoke Valley area. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming. And if you came from another state, raise your hand. Look at that. Thank you for being here. First thing, I want to say a big thank you, not only to those of you who showed up, but also to Andrea, who is their head road captain today. Andrea? she and I have been talking about this for months, and she has created the route and has pre-ridden it about 3 times, I think, right? Oh, twice at least. Hopefully things will go smooth on the ride today. It's about a 50-mile ride with one stop, which will be at the Mill Mountain Star for pictures, and then we'll be back here. The plan is to be back here right at 12:30 where we're going to serve lunch. Then the band will start about 1 o'clock, okay? I also want to say a big thank you to Jessica Brown. Jessica, thank you. And also our International Female Ride Day Ambassador. So if you're one of those, please raise your hand so that we can say thank you. Thank you, ladies, for taking on some extra duties and responsibilities. That being said, I'm going to turn it over to Andrea. She's going to give us details on the ride and how we're going to line up. We will be police escorted at least through town, okay?
Hi y'all, and welcome to Roanoke. We're gonna make a left out of the dealership. They're gonna take us a couple lefts and rights through some lights. Please don't run any red lights. We're gonna stay at Mill Mountain for a bathroom break. Picture at the Star. We'll be there about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna make our way back to the dealership.
And then our guys bring up the rear. You're welcome on this ride. We just want to represent our ladies to go in front.
Roanoke Star. All these girls still rolling up.
You'll be fine.
Sinbad, the coolest bird biker ever.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
Just literally chilling like a villain up there.
Yeah.
In his Harley hoodie.
Yes. His Harley hoodie at the Roanoke Star.
Yeah, there's twisties.
Got people heading out. Some of our group already left this morning. I just wanted to check in about yesterday's event. We had such a great time. It was a great turnout. Everything at the dealership was really awesome. The ride was amazing. Then we went back to the hotel, rested, got some dinner at Buffalo Wild Wings, and then came back to the hotel and just chilled because we were really pretty tired. It was a long day. Bye! Bye! We're getting ready to leave. This is Caitlin. This is her first long trip. What do you think?
Yeah, it was more physically demanding than I thought it was going to be. A lot of just mental focus. Highway, it was my first real highway trip, so that was a little unexpected for me.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. What was your favorite part?
I think my favorite part was pushing myself to do the group ride. I was a little intimidated, wasn't sure how that would go. I was proud of myself for pushing it, and then I had a lot of fun, and the views were beautiful. There was a lot of twisties up the mountain. It was really
Oh my
awesome.
gosh, it was so much fun. I'm so glad you guys did it. Ashley from Jersey, this was the longest trip for you?
Yep, that's a solo trip to get to you.
Solo trip to get to Pennsylvania from Jersey. What was your favorite part?
The views.
The views?
Yeah, it's just cool riding through the mountains. That was the first time for me.
Cool.
And then seeing the mountains and everything.
Good, good. I love it.
Yep.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Proud of you.
Then we got Brittany and her brother and sister-in-law. She came from my area. These guys came from Kentucky. First long trip for everybody?
Second.
Second.
My first one.
What was your favorite part?
Just riding with all the girls and building up the confidence to keep doing this and ride longer distances.
Yeah,
Riding
so
with you,
proud
Jen.
of you. She kicked ass. I'm so proud of her. These guys are from North Carolina. Hey guys. This is Christina. She's from my area.
Hi.
How did you like the trip? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was riding up on the Blue Ridge Skyway.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Fantastic riding. And meeting all of the ladies. Like, that was so empowering. It was so cool.
Blue Ridge Parkway.
Did I say Skyway?
That's okay.
It's fine. It's not the
When we're watching
Cherahalla
this later,
Skyway.
I'll be like, Jessica, it's
Brother, ooh.
Parkway.
I didn't say why you say my name.
I mean, Christina.
Christina is like almost a seasoned rider at this point.
Pretty good.
Yeah, man. She started riding last year.
Yeah.
What month?
I got my endorsement in August.
In August.
Yeah.
And she's taken how many long rides now?
What are we at? Where'd you go?
You did
What,
this
3?
trip, North Carolina.
Yeah.
You did Virginia Beach.
Yep. So
Roanoke last November.
Yeah.
So
Almost 4.
she's
Yeah.
putting down some
Heck
miles on her
great.
Sportster. We'll go look at her anniversary Sportster. So cute. She's got it set up for comfort on the road.
I love this thing. It's great.
The Zero 3D El Sandoval bag's really nice to travel with. She likes to lean back on it, right?
Yep. Perfect thing to lean back against. I can
Mhm.
even like put in a towel to make it thicker. But yeah, gives you a little bit more stability when you're leaning back on the road.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Cool. So fun. What a great trip. This is our last gas stop of the trip together, me with the girls. So they did so good. I am so proud of Caitlin and Brittany. They did amazing. So grateful for Christina as our tail gunner. She was amazing. We had such an amazing trip. So grateful for everyone that came out. We're about to split our separate ways and finish the way all the way home. Thank you guys for following along. I hope you enjoyed it. And mark your calendars for next year. The first weekend of May, we're gonna do it again. So International Female Ride Day, Roanoke, Virginia. Maybe it'll be an annual thing. So if you're a lady rider or if you just want to come support lady riders in general, mark your calendars for next year, May 1st. And we'll see you there. Until next time, ride safe.